Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer file between two OneDrive accounts in just a few minutes. This process is simple, efficient and perfect for managing files across personal works and accounts. So let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and search for Microsoft account login page. Enter your credentials and sign in. Once you are logged in, click on the app launcher on the top left side. Now select OneDrive from the drop-down menu. In the OneDrive, go to My Files. So, as the left-hand side menu, you'll see the My Files option. Locate or click on the folder you want to transfer, for example, this. Then click on the Share button at the top. In a pop-up, type in the email address the second drive account. Make sure to set up permission, can edit, for example, like this. And then now either click on send or copy the link to manually share it. Now log out to the current account and sign in into the another OneDrive account. Click on the share tab and to view the folder share with you, find the share folder, click on it and then choose the copy to save it into your new account. Alternatively, add a shortcut my files for quick access later. And that's it, you have successfully transferred file between two OneDrive accounts. This method keep your file organized and accessible for both the account. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.